Welcome back to Motorhead UK. Today we're going to actually do a really nice, easy, simple job that anyone can do. So we're going to show you how to paint the window wiper where they've gone all rusted and crap. So Zane's going to take them off and then just sand them down and then respray them. I'm going to show you how to do it really quickly. That's one.
Is that easy?
That's that one. It's the only good thing about working on Japanese cars. They are really easy to take apart.
No, it's not that. It's not that, because it's old.
Yeah.
It's simpler. Yep.
Right, there you go. Easy as that. But so Zane's going for the first layer of primer.
Sorry, Mum, for the washing line.
Second coat. What are we doing there?
Right, we've got lacquer.
And then we just finish it off.
The lacquer goes on here. Alright, here you go.
Yeah.
Right, come out not too bad.
It's so much better, isn't it? So Zane's just finished off respraying the window wipers. Looks so much better. Obviously it could do a bit more of a touch up, but not being funny, you'd never notice from a distance, and it just looks so much cleaner and crisp. Doing a job is quite an easy job.
Yeah.
Anyone can do it, and it just neatens the car off, especially old cars. They just need a little touch up. But Zane is going to probably respray the whole car at some point with a rattle can, just to give it once over, see how good or how bad it goes. So stay tuned.
Yeah. Speak to you later.